with our Shakey's channel, and also with, for the third straight year, we will be live and free on PusoP.com. So thanks to our partners, Aika.
So we have Iker Ray, we have Roy Ambrosio, si Nick Atienza, they're also here. Thanks for being here, guys.
Thank you. Yes,
One
Mark.
last question.
Next question.
Is there any participating public schools sa ating tournament at kung wala, paano sila makakasali?
Okay. Okay. Good question because we had two applicants, no? And based on our regulations, we can allow any school to join. Pero we had to be very careful with the public school. Lalo na the public school was coming from sa tulo ng Cavite. I forgot the name, if it's Samly Point or something. So medyo nag-ingat muna tayo this year. But it is a strong consideration to include them in next year. Pagka ganyan, meron na tayong DepEd regulators that have to be part of the team. But surprisingly, we had two applicants this year. But the decision of the group is to medyo be careful because it's a totally different angle and aspect of participation. So, but yes, napag-usapan na ng board yan, and next year we plan to admit a public school or more public schools in the lineup of teams. Good question. That was a good question.
Good afternoon, Pete.
Sino ka? Sino ka? Yes, please.
Question po kay Sir Oliver. Sir, last time po kasi, yung mga schools natin ay nakagain ng additional funding from Shakey's because of the promos na binibigay niyo sa mga schools. This conference po ba meron tayong source of funds again for our schools?
So right now, we have three conferences for Shakey Super League. We have GBIL, we have the National Invitationals, and we have the Unity Cup pre-season. As of the moment, where there is support is at the university level with our pre-season cup. GBIL right now, ang primary focus namin is padamihin yung eskwelahan na makaparticipate. Of course, we have to be in a way seeing where the resources can be best invested for all of us and where we can ask our guests to also participate. No? So that's something that, of course, it's our desire to be financially supporting at all levels. But the ways to support the sport is through financial support. There's also through providing venue and providing the exposure, right? So we'll always be considering how we can sustainably support the sport at different levels. Where I think there is a support right now that we involve our guests to, in a way, support financially the schools is at the university level. Of course, yan, pinag-uusapan pa namin kung paano at different levels. But what's more important for us is how do we expand the number of schools that we participate in the grassroots. Rex will elaborate a little bit more.
Because I'm expecting a question from Sir Lito, no? Ito yun eh. So what I have in mind is to extend to all the 44 schools an exclusive discount. I'm going to prepare this and work with Sir Ariel together with the different schools. No? So each participating schools can get an exclusive discount when they go to Shakey's. So I'll be fast tracking that. By Monday, you can already start extending that discount. Okay, so instant answer. So we can do that, sir. But of course, we look forward to the collegiate Super League bundle that's going to be in September. And hopefully in the next years, when this grows bigger, we can extend something. Okay.
Thank you po. Kaya, yan, maraming na-recruit na players last year.